Hey guys, it's Ed again. Well, we're down cellar with the new camera, so hopefully it's going to do a good job for us. And I have been getting some grain with it. So if you guys see some grainy stuff, I'm shooting in standard resolution right now. I still have high and then like extra high. So we'll try that out, see how that goes. Anyway, I'm down cellar and looking at the Honda, and we're working on I did get some parts in the mail, so let's see if I can dig it out of my pocket. Where did I put it? I know I got it here somewhere. Hang on, there it is. I found it. Okay, this is what came in the mail, minus this black rubber right here. Basically what I'm trying to do here with this is this goes on your manifold, goes this way. Okay, it's a little trickier to do one-handed than you think, but anyway, you guys can see that, right? You can see where that would go on there, and this end here on the carb, actually there, we'll pull it right out. Now we can get it in here. There. See? So the carburetor has a flange right here. This has another part that basically is a rubber flange, where this rubber piece that I've stuck on here is, and it goes this way to make it so you can bolt it to this. If that makes any sense to you guys. Of course, I can't even find one on the major auction site. This rubber part that goes on here, the rubber flange, is just, I don't know. I mean, you can't find them. I was able to buy this tube, anywhere from $50, just for this little piece of aluminum, $50 to $74. This with plus shipping too on some of them. I got a guy out in Montana, I think it was MT, I think that's Montana. He had this one on there, but he said it was for 77, 78, which the 77, 78, darn it, let's grab that, is right here. This is the 77, 78. So you guys can see that there is quite a bit of difference. I don't know, can I shoot that? Yeah, there you go. You can see that this is all cast one piece. The flange actually is built into this. If I was to, like, it's even humped up a little bit. Cut that off, you could probably almost stick it somehow on there and make it work. But I do have a plan. I will throw a picture in this video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But there's a flange they make. It's for VM24 Mikuni, or for the 26 key hens, 26, 28 key hens. The spigot side, that's the side that goes on here. They call this the spigot. It's the opposite side of the flange. According to their drawing, is well, it's a picture with somebody drew on it and posted it on there. It says it's 33 millimeters, and I believe, let's go look and see if we can find a ruler here of some sort. I might even have a metric thing here somewhere. Let's take a quick peek in here. Seems like I had a little caliper. Okay, where is it? Did you guys see what I did with it? It's here somewhere. Not sure where. Oh, here's a caliper. It's not the idealest thing in the world, but let's see if it's actually... Oh no, that's not even metric. That is tenths or hundredths. Well, maybe it's metric on this side. No, decimal equivalents. So So yeah, that's not going to do us any good. But anyway, I did measure this thing, and it did measure out. Here, we'll measure it this way. Maybe we will. One-handed is always fun. There we go. So the measurement, plus I'm using this on the tripod. Sorry about that. I'll tell you, the zoom on this thing is pretty freaking good. Oop, there we lost it. Still playing with a new camera. That's the threshold right there. So and even my shaking, it's not even really picking up on. So that's pretty cool. Back out a little bit. I get a little fuzzy there. But anyway, the diameter with the rubber on it, okay, just the aluminum was 25 millimeter, and now with the rubber added on it, it's 33 millimeters. And according to the picture that will be flashed up, or maybe I will have already flashed it up, it says it's 33 millimeters. So that should shove into the other one, or maybe this is 33 and the other one's 32. It'll fit, I'm pretty sure. And it's got a clamp on it, so that'll work. So anyway, that's what we're doing there. And I found they're only like $8 for that flange, but they're coming from, I think I got this zoomed in. There we go. That works better. They're coming from, a lot of them are coming from China. And I found a guy in Dallas, Texas, who has them, and probably get here a lot faster from Dallas than it will from China. At least that's my thought. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Winter has returned outside, so I'm going to, I had to go out this morning and blow about 10 inches of snow. And so that's our 50 degree weather that we had. I think spring-like weather is gone, but I guess that's okay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to make this a short video because I just want to see how this camera shoots and how it posts up on YouTube. If it looks good or if it's crappy. I do have 2 more levels of resolution to go through if I like it or not. So thanks for watching, subscribing, and commenting, and thanks for following along on this project.